my channel. It's me, Ruta Whiskers, with MinionTanya today.
Hey!
We're gonna do a review on Japan Create premium box, which looks like this. I'm gonna separate this box in 3 videos. First one will be smaller items, second one bigger items, and the third one I'm gonna do the DIY set. So there will be a special one small video for this one. And hope you enjoy. So this is Japan Create box, which is Japanese snacks only. It comes in 3 sizes. There's mini, original and premium. We are gonna review the premium box, which was $30. I'm gonna put down the other prices as well. And we're gonna start with the drink, so we have some drinks to try all the other snacks with. I have this little booklet which helps you out if you don't know Japanese. Everything is in English in here. Also there's a manual how to use your DIY set, so you won't be struggling. So the first item we're gonna try is the drink. This one is the Pokemon Grape Sparkling. It's the grape soda. What do you think about that?
I like grape.
I like this picture on it. Pika. Ooh, smells like grapes, doesn't it?
Yes. It reminds me of a KO. Great, if it tastes like that.
Oh look, just enough for my glass.
Ooh.
Oh, refreshing. Tastes like grapes. Actually tastes like real grapes. 9.
Not once. I'll say 8.
I like it. It's our savior drink. So what I noticed about this box, there's a lot of sweet potato taste snacks. It's because this time of the year, October, is quite popular in Japan with sweet potato. So they just put it in the box. We try it out. She loves the sweet potato, so I love it. So the next item we have on the list is the sweet potato, honey sweet potato flavor.
Honey.
I think it's just sweet potato and honey together. It looks like a crisp.
They remind me of hula hoops.
Open it.
No, the shape.
But hula hoops.
Can't really taste sweet potato.
Okay.
All I taste is honey.
I'm giving them like 6 out of 10.
I'll give them a 7. Not amazing.
Not amazing. Next one, which one do you want? Popcorn, milk popcorn, brown sugar caramel. Apparently this is Japan's great favorite.
Smell.
Oh, Jesus.
Smell nice.
Smells strong. Brown sugar caramel.
Don't like them.
I do like them. It's a little bit softer than the usual one.
Yeah, I don't like them. The taste is alright, just don't like the texture. So I'll give them a 7.
I'm giving these an 8. I actually like them. They're not as strong, but they're quite nice. Alright, the next item Tanya is holding is the Harvest sweet potato biscuit. Again, a sweet potato.
They got cute little faces.
Oh my god, they come in a little packages.
That's sweet potatoes. They've got sugar on. No.
It has a little bit sweet, but they're actually very plain.
Yeah.
Not quite sure. I'm giving these like a 7.
I will give them a 9 because I do quite like them.
So the next item is something that Tanya is trying to avoid. It's a sweet potato candy. It's actually a hard candy, as much as we can tell. It's a Rappero Farm sweet potato candy. It comes in separate little packages. Well, let's give it a go. I'm gonna drink some grape. I'm already scared. Oh my god, that is so bad. Inside is
it smells like coffee.
Inside is chewy. So the outside is more of a coffee taste, inside is more of the potato taste, and inside is a little bit chewier. I like the outside more than inside. I'm giving these a 6.
0.
I think it's an original idea, but not the greatest. So this was part 1 of Japan Create, and stay tuned for part 2.